Welcome to the Incandescent Protocol, a video detailing the process for testing electrical earth continuity using a simple, effective method. The test circuit is straightforward. A technician creates a circuit where the live wire supplies current, the earth pin grounds the current, and the light bulb proves the path's continuity. The kit blueprint requires a 60W or 100W incandescent bulb and a holder. 2 wires connect the holder, and a screwdriver tester identifies the live terminal. Safety is paramount. Secure the wires to the holder, wear rubber-soled shoes, and avoid contact with live components due to electric shock hazards. Step 1 is terminal identification. Hold the screwdriver tester and probe the socket holes to identify the live L and neutral N holes. Step 2 is tester calibration. Connect one wire to the live terminal and the other to the neutral terminal. A bright glow confirms the tester is working properly. Step 3 is earth execution. Keep one wire on the live terminal, move the second wire to the earth pin, and observe the bulb to see if the circuit is complete. The observation matrix helps interpret the results. A bright glow indicates proper earthing. A dim glow suggests faulty earthing or high resistance. No light means the socket lacks earthing entirely. The resistance analogy illustrates this. A wide, clean pipe represents low resistance, creating a bright glow. A clogged pipe represents high resistance, which is caused by faulty earthing, resulting in a dim glow. Remember the incandescent rule. Use incandescent bulbs only. LED bulbs are unsuitable for this test, as they can invalidate the visual check. For more precision, upgrade to a digital multimeter. The test lamp provides a basic check, but the multimeter offers precise voltage data for absolute safety verification. The voltage rules define proper and weak earth. If the live-to-earth voltage is approximately equal to the live-to-neutral voltage, you have proper earth. If the neutral-to-earth voltage is greater than 2 volts, it suggests weak earth. The method matrix compares the two methods. The incandescent lamp offers a quick, basic visual check. The digital multimeter provides highly precise data and detailed safety verification through exact voltage measurements. The protocol summary involves 4 steps. Step 1, prepare by building the kit. Step 2, calibrate by verifying live to neutral. Step 3, execute by testing live to earth. Step 4, verify with the multimeter for precision.